Have you ever witnessed the breathtaking spectacle of the Royal Navy Black Cats? Today, we're diving into a thrilling display of the Royal Navy Black Cats, the UK's premier helicopter display team at the Wales Airshow. These elite pilots take to the skies in their powerful helicopters, performing daring stunts that will leave you in awe. The Black Cats were formed in 2001, originally flying the Westland Lynx. Their name was inspired by the fierce cat emblem of the now disbanded 702 Naval Air Squadron. Today, they soar through the skies in the AgustaWestland Wildcat HMA.2 helicopters. The team is made up of skilled aircrew and engineers from 825 Naval Air Squadron, based at the Royal Naval Air Station Yeovilton in Somerset. The Black Cats displays are a symphony of precision and power. Their aerial acrobatics defy gravity and captivate audiences of all ages. From the heart-stopping loops to the synchronized formations, every maneuver is a testament to their skill and dedication. The Black Cats are more than just a flying display team. They serve as ambassadors for the Royal Navy, inspiring young people to pursue careers in aviation and the armed forces.
Look at my phone.
So the next time you have the opportunity to witness the Royal Navy Black Cats in action, don't miss it. Their thrilling displays are a testament to the skill, precision, and courage of these extraordinary pilots. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.